Dongguan Bottle Packaging Products Company Limited is a professional manufacturer of packaging products, detergents, and daily chemical products. The company is located in Dongguan City, Guangdong Province, China. Dongguan is known as the world's factory. It is close to the seaports of Shenzhen and Guangzhou. Therefore, export shipping is quite convenient. The company has two divisions. The packaging division is equipped with blow molding machines, screen printing machines, hot stamping machines, and labeling machines. This division mainly produces HDPE plastic bottles, PET plastic bottles, and perfume glass bottles. There are a wide range of specifications for your selection. The Daily Chemicals division is equipped with dust-free workshops and automatic filling lines, which mainly produces various detergents and cleaners. The company is an integration of industry and trading company. One of our advantages is that services and product supply can be guaranteed at the same time. BOTUO always focuses on product quality control and brand value enhancement. We implement strict management systems. The global economic environment has not been optimistic recent years. However, with the efforts of our employees and the support from our customers, BOTUO's turnover have been growing steadily. BOTUO's products are widely used in domestic and foreign companies, including daily necessities companies, cosmetics companies, food companies, etc. Our products have been exporting to Asia, the United States, the Middle East, Europe, Oceania, and other regions. BOTUO has won recognition from a lot customers.